ng isang tao, dala ang lakas ng bawat Pilipino. Sa talent ng ilan, dalay galing ng buong sambayanan. Mula sa isang pangarap, dalay pag-asa sa kinabukasan ng ating mga kababayan. Sila'y mga espesyal na taong nagbigay karangalan at pag-asa sa Pilipinas. Iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang pamamaraan. At bawat isa may dugo ng isang tunay na Pilipino. Saludo kami sa inyo, pound for pound best fighter in the world, Manny Pacquiao. International award-winning directors Brillante Mendoza and Ralston Jover. 2009 Wicopa Junior Grand Champion Performer of the World, Rock Salazar. Kapamilya International Emmy nominee, ABS-CBN's cast and crew of Kahit Isang Saglit, Best Actress finalist Angel Locsin, and the dynamic team company with CNN Hero of the Year, Efren Peña Florida. Lakas, galing, talino, at puso. Yan ang handog ng bawat Pilipino sa mundo. Yan ang tagumpay nating lahat. Ngayon, sa ASAP 09, sa unang pagkakataon, narito ang mga tinig ng ilan sa mga Pilipinong nagbibigay karangalan sa inang bayan. Black Eyed Peas, Apple de Ap, International Singing Sensation, Cherise, International Rock Star, Arnel Pineda, World Champions Rap Salazar and Jed Madela, and multi-awarded world performer, Lea Salonga.
Clap your hands, y'all. Hey, I'll take you to the Philippines. I'll take you to the Philippines. Hey, I'll take you to the Philippines. We could go there, yeah. There. Jump on the plane, probably jump on the train. Just you and me, yeah, just you and me. I can take it to where I come from, right? What I want warm in the sunlight. Shine all day, really shine all night. Ma, I like you, yeah, I like you. She shine all day, all night too. I could be your boyfriend, I could wife you. Take it to your favorite place where I come from. Take it to my hometown, cause I wonder where it rains all day, no thunder. I'ma take it to my land, Pampanga. Hey! Take it to the Philippines. Hey, I'll take you to the Philippines. We can go there. We can go there. From the hut to the pillow, we could get illa in Manila, straight to the island. Water so warm, you could just dive in. Take you all the places I've been. Chimney roller, you could just ride it.